Hindi mo kailangan ng experience para magsimula, but please watch this video until the end para may clarity tayo. Kasi dito ni Rich, ang VIP, sino lang ang pwede mag-enroll, dapat pa may experience na. So I want to make sure na clear muna tayo dun sa fact na pwede kang mag-work as a freelancer kahit wala kang experience. However, when you say walang experience ba, do you mean na never ka pang nag-work ever? Kasi kapag ka never ka pang nag-work ever, iba yung magiging starting point mo versus yung mga nag-work na sa BPO or sa corporate. Kasi yung skills na meron sila at ginagawa nila sa office work nila, transferable na yun to being a freelancer. Kumbaga yun yung starting point para sila ay makapag offer na ng services. Now, ang VIP namin and all of our classes really are beginner friendly just because we believe na even if may idea ka na dun sa isang skills or sa isang niche, is meron pa rin tayong iba't ibang diskarte, atake. And most of our mentees, nag-enroll naman sila sa amin not because wala pa silang alam, but because they want to be able to check ano yung strategy namin as freelancers. Iba-iba yung skill sets namin eh. So, yung buong mentorship program, yung buong mentorship team is comprised of different brains that are braining, if that even makes sense. Dating sa skills or strategies, iba-iba tayo ng ginagawa. Yun yung gusto ng mga nasa VIP. Kapag ka nag-top VIP all access pass ka kasi, 1,999 pesos lang siya. Lahat na ng classes namin from once na may schedule, automatic mai-invite ka na. So magkakaroon ka na ng idea kung ano nga ba yung ginagawa nung niche na yon or nung role na yon or what if ito yung service na i-offer mo. Anyway, if you guys wanna join our top VIP all access pass, lang kayo sa profile ko, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos it will open this page. Pag open yan, punta lang kayo ng onte sa baba, may bandang gitna. Hanapin nyo yung open classes. Kauna-unahan, right after the word open classes is the top VIP all access pass. So join na kayo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!